इस स्टोर में मैं पहली बार आई हूँ, बट आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ Aldo. It's in Infinity 2, जो मेरा random, like I visit there every time I visit the mall. And I think their bags are lovely, especially those clutch bags, and of course the heels. As you can really trust those heels whenever you're traveling or you're attending a function, they'll never break. Because I have experienced that. So with Aldo, you have that peace of mind, which is very important. And then yes, the comfort level, which is very, very important for women in today's day and date, when we are, you go to a place like IFA where you exaggerated like a red carpet, and so you need that peace of mind with the blessed heels like these. So I think that's one reason I'm here. तैयारियां तो बहुत की थी, आप लोग थे. But to be honest, I think there was certain censor conflicts that happened at the last moment, जिसकी वजह से we lost a lot of theatres. But the work of the actors have been really appreciated, and I am getting a lot of very good response from the directors and especially the industry people. So I'm sure, I am getting a lot of work. I have already signed up other 2 films, so I think I have, and plus all the other actors have been benefited from the project. Rest, it's the fate of the film. I think beyond the point, we've met, we've spoken, we've promoted the film. Beyond that point, there's nothing that an actor can do. Why would I be conscious? Of course, you have to be confident about the brand. I think that's very important. You need to be confident about the brand yourself, and you should be using it before endorsing it. So I wouldn't endorse something that I don't personally like it, because then I guess I'm faking it. I did not wear that necklace. I am not a very accessory person. Basically, I like to be very simple. I'm sure you must have seen in my interviews. So I'm not a very accessory person, but I guess today I'm going to try, because I'm here and I must try something, and of course in IFA, so I'm going to maybe add few things from here and make my outfits look even better, the ones I'm using for red carpet and IFA.
I think every girl has a connection with Aldo, and we all have bought shoes or maybe bags or maybe tiny little earrings from Aldo, and I think it's an amazing place to shop, and I just love this brand. I think heels to save me anytime. If I have to buy heels for the next day, I just quickly rush to Aldo, and I always get a pair of my size and my comfort and the color I desire. So it's really quick and it's really nice. I think for the red carpet, I've still not decided what I'm going to be wearing, but I think I'm going to be doing the trials today. So hopefully something I'll figure out really soon. Yes, my movie Yaariyan, which I directed, it's nominated in the Best Music category, and I really hope that it wins the IFA. See, right now I'm still shooting Sanam Re. I've shot half of it, and half of it is still to go. So directly from IFA, I'm going to Ladakh for my next sketch, and I think by August I'll be able to complete the film, and after that I'll be doing the post-production, and I think then we'll plan out. I think it's very nice when you're working with a young star cast, because as a director, you can tap onto their potential, and there's a lot of unexplored potential in them, and when you know that they have so much inside which you can bring out, then it's definitely very exciting, and that's what I'm trying to do in Sanam Re. Although pairs, like out of my collection or out of I think I really need to look around to select the right pair, but I think not just one pair, there's so many beautiful pairs around, and which I'm sure I can pick up for myself as well as give to many other friends of mine. I think it's a great association because both have established themselves as a good brand. Aldo is all over, I stay in Lokhandwala, and I don't even need to come so far to visit an Aldo store. It's right next to my house, and IFA has also really established itself over the years gone by, and we all look forward to IFA Awards, and I think it's a great association for them to be together. Thank you.
with Aldo, actually, since I'm from the US and there's many Aldos everywhere, it's one of my favorite stores. So when I knew I was coming here, I just was excited to shop and of course see all your lovely faces. Aldo's association with IFA I think is great for Aldo because IFA is everything. And it's my first time being at IFA and my first time performing at IFA. So I'm sort of nervous, but really. Yeah, I mean, since it's my first IFA and every single day there's so many different events and so many different dresses, I've just been swamped in dresses over the last 2 days. So I'm excited to show off my looks and hopefully you guys like them all. Song, Finding Fanny, Shake Your Bootia, because I have a butt. Heels or flats, heels or flats, heels or flats. You know, when I wake up in the morning, if I put on heels, I know it's going to be a very glam day. I'm going to strut around, I'm going to have lots of attitude. If I put on flats, I will probably dance everywhere. That kind of happens regardless, but I like them both. I'm a Gemini, my birthday's in a week. Actually, it's the last day of IFA, we'll bring in my birthday. So Gemini, I have two different sides. So actually heels and flats, that's my two different personalities. I think it's super fun. For me, it was my first time out of the dance space, which was something I've always wanted to do. And it's getting pretty good response and everyone's really liking it. So I'm ready for the next one. I'd say Ileana de Cruz, because I adore her. And probably Ellie as well. Ellie Abram and I are close friends. So maybe I'll pick up a pair for her today. Would you buy? Did you buy me something? Awesome. Thanks, guys. Wish me luck. Thanks.
Well, the experience is great. I had a tough decision to choose between the light pink shoe or the white shoe. और मैंने actually आप लोगों को पूछा कि कौन सा सबसे पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा difficult हुआ क्योंकि ये लोग सफ़ेद बोला और ये लोग पिंक वाले बोला, लेकिन finally मैंने सफ़ेद वाले जूते choose किया. So yeah, I just hope they're gonna get it in my size. Actually मैं IFA के लिए नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं स्वीडन के लिए जा रही हूँ, वो मेरा IFA है. So yeah, I'm actually going back home to Sweden for a vacation with my family, 6 तारीख को. So I'm not going to IFA this year. So हाँ, मतलब easy कभी नहीं है. I always take so much of like hours. Whenever I go for shopping, I have to look at every single dress, every single shoe, and like that, you know. So it takes time, and yeah, I always find it so difficult to like choose. So I always ask, you know, my friends or like other people, like जैसे मैंने आज आप लोगों को पूछा. So yeah, but I mean it's fun. I love shoes. If I'm planning to endorse some brand, yeah, you know. I mean, I would love to endorse a lot of brands. So yeah, I'm waiting for them. Yeah. No. Actually, I don't think really I will choose above that right now. I mean, I have my managers on board and all who helps me to do all these things. कब release होगा मुझे पता नहीं है actually, but hopefully soon. And shooting though, it's over. We only have like one song left to shoot, or dubbing ये सभी चल रहा है and also yeah, but it's nice.